Hi, welcome back. I'm Chuck, and today we're going to repurpose this old sewing chest. My mom got this old sewing chest from her sister, and we're going to turn it into an end table. And it flips up on top here, and there's some places where you could put thread back in the day when it was used as a sewing chest. Has a couple drawers, so you can see that like their knobs broke off of them, and the finish is kind of coming off a lot. So we're going to sand it down and try to finish the top. We're going to paint it, put new knobs on it, and see if we can make it into like a nice end table. The first step in the process of refinishing the sewing chest is to sand everything down, and we're going to try a Danish oil for the top. I tried using a sanding block and it was just a lot to get through on the top. I'm going to use that on the sides because I am going to just paint those, but I need to get all the finish off the top. I'm going to use the random orbit sander for that. We got the top all sanded down, but there's this spot on the veneer that has chipped away, so I'm going to go ahead and fill that in with some wood filler, and then we'll sand it down flat. And we'll go ahead and work on the sides while this dries. We got the sewing chest all sanded down. Now I'm going to apply the Danish oil to the top. While the paint's drying on this project, go ahead and hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when we get a new project out. Seriously. Don't listen to her. We finished painting the sewing chest. Now we're going to install the drawer hardware. It was just screwed in before, so we took those off because they were broken. We have new drawer pulls. So we're going to bore out the holes a little bit, the same holes that we were using, and install those. So here's how the sewing chest turned out. We are pretty happy with the result. Added some hardware, basically refinished the top and did some paint. There is a little coloring on the white and it kind of makes it look more rustic, but with something this age, we could only sand so much because the wood was pretty thin to begin with. So this is kind of how it turned out, and we're pretty happy with it. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I have some more for you to check out over here, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to redo. Well, what should I say about this? Recycle, redo. What's a good word?
Transform, metamorphosize,
repurpose. The first step into we got the